Dear brothers and sisters, each time when we come back our home, we ring the bell and then we enter our home. What do we say?
بسم الله ولجنا وبسم الله خرجنا وعلى ربنا توكلنا.
In the name of Allah we enter, and in the name of Allah we leave, and we trust in our Lord. This is our faith. This is our belief. This is our commitment. That we left in the name of Allah. We came back in the name of Allah. We are entering in the house in the name of Allah because we have a faith and a trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because when you're reading these du'as and the prayers, each one has the relationship with Allah. A moment cannot live with Allah, cannot live without Allah. So you have to understand that we going to remember each and every step Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we will follow each and every action according to the wishes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala Ali